हेलो एवरीवन, मैं गीतिका ऊजा और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं न्यूज़ 47 मीडिया में। टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग टॉप 5 रेटेड टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन इन दिल्ली एंड न्यू दिल्ली. First one is the Red Fort. The beautiful Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan in 1648 and survived as the seat of Mughal power until 1857. This stunning structure was its red sandstone walls covers an area of more than 2 square kilometers, the entirety of which is crescent shaped and surrounded by a moat. The impressive main entires the Lahore Gate is so named as it faces towards Lahore in Pakistan, while the even greater Delhi Gate was used by the Impavli for criminal processions. Entirely through Lahore Gate, visitors reach Chanda Chowk, a 17th century covered bazaar with items such as silks, jewelry, gems, and silverware can be purchased along with food items. The Nobat Khana within the Red Fort was the musicals who played for the Empower and its fine galleries still contain many interesting musical instruments such as Diwan. I am the hall of public auditions where the Empower would receive his subjects is also worth seeing for his stunning white marble. Second one is Qutub Minar. Completed with the 12th century, the beautiful Qutub Minar, India's tallest minar and now UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracts many international visitors earlier to climb to the top for its breathtaking views of the surrounding area. This ornate five-story tower rises more than 70 meters and it covers with carvings features the history of Qutub along with inscriptions from the Quran. It's very notable for being constructed of a number of different types of stone. The first three stories are made of red sandstones, while the other and fifth stories were built with marble and sandstone. Third one is the Gurdwara Bangla Sahib, Delhi's most important Sikh place of worship. The 18th century Gurdwara Bangla Sahib is near Connaught Place and it's well worth a visit. Highlighters include its magnificent pool, the Sarovar, and the heart of his large complex, as well as its famous gold dome and flagpole. Also of note is the large temple building itself, along with its art gallery and a small museum dedicated to the history of Sikh religions. Visitors are always welcome here and an excellent meal is available at no cost in the large Gurdwara kitchen, and that is asked in return is your hair be covered and shoes removed. Free hand squares and free storage are provided. Fourth one is the Lotus Temple, the magnificent Bauhaus of worship, also known as Lotus Temple, due to its 9 sides and stunning central dome, is an architectural masterpiece constructed of white concentrate and marble. The entire structure looks as delicate as the flower. It resembles rising from the surrounding 9 pools of water. It almost appears as it might burst into bloom and any monument built in 1986. The temple has since attracted more than 70 billion visitors, making it one of the most visited attractions. This remembered place of worship has no idols, religions, pictures, or outward symbols of religions. Another modern day temple worthy of a visit is the ISKCON temple, one of the country's biggest Krishna temple complexes. Fifth one is India Gate. India Gate is a magnificent stone arch built as memorial to India's soldiers killed in WWI. An internal frame burns the massive structure and its walls are inscribed with the names of more than 90,000 soldiers with death in the convenience, standing on a base of redstone and featuring a shallow dominated bowl on top that is officially filled with burning oil, usually only an important anniversaries. The structure dominates the parkland around it and always busy area with crowds of tourists and locals alike, enjoying a picnic or simply relaxing for a real treat. Try to see the India Gate at night, considered one of the top free things to do in New Delhi. It is a sight when it's are nearly fountains and front lit. Thanks for watching News 47 Media.